I'm Mike Slade. I'm ScriptPro's Director of Manufacturing Operations, and I've been with ScriptPro for 24 years. I started at ScriptPro in 1997 as its Quality Assurance Manager. That position allowed me to help develop many of the processes, procedures, in collaboration with our customers and our suppliers that we still use today. That then allowed me the opportunity to move in my current role as Director of Manufacturing Operations. My typical day begins with analyzing data, determine if there's any gaps and efficiencies that would prevent us from delivering quality products on time. I then visit with each of my team members, determine if there's any concerns that they might have that need to be addressed, as well as any improvement opportunities. I then go on to see what other tools that I can develop for my team so that they can maximize their particular skill sets, and then really looking for efficiencies that bring value to ScriptPro and its customers. What motivates me is the people here at ScriptPro. Very knowledgeable people, they're creative and they're fun. The other thing I like about ScriptPro is the products that we manufacture and support, and look at what they bring to the pharmacies in the sense that they provide value, safety, and efficiency on both sides of the pharmacy counter. Lastly, it's the variety that we have here at ScriptPro. No 2 days are ever the same. Since its beginning, ScriptPro has always cultivated a culture that's innovative, creative, and a continuous improvement mindset. I don't really look at challenges as problems. We kind of look at them as opportunities here. And in my 24 years, I've yet to find an opportunity that the ScriptPro team has been unable to develop an innovative solution for. I like to think that our collective team is really the Disney World of ScriptPro, in the sense that dreams and designs are brought to us and we actually bring them to life.